We have many airdrops to go and claim, as well as important information for you to know as well about the Taiko, for Tia Staker, for Cosmos stakers, for stakers in general, so stick until the end. And we jump, first thing first, there is a new Farcaster Zora NFT, which we do need to go and move. This is the Kangaroo. Farcaster is gonna have an airdrop. We have already collected all of these other NFTs if you followed my video. And this one is already been minted by 16,000 people in a day, so it is very important for you to go and get it. It is only 0.0007 ETH, $2, which you can go and collect from the Zora, from Arbitrum, from Ethereum, anyone that you want, and we simply go and mint it. Now, this NFT over here, it is super important for the Farcaster airdrop because it is gonna be a required, activity for the airdrop to go and have this NFT, just like we saw it with the ZK Sync airdrop, which if you did collect the NFT, you would have more points for the airdrop. This is the same for Farcaster. So make sure to go and mint it. I will leave a link down below. We minted just now all together. And we see here a lot of people are minting it because it is a important, if not the most important criteria for the Farcaster airdrop, as well as for the Zora airdrop. Later down the line, we have one more transaction for the Zora airdrop. Following up, we have an Optimism commemorative NFT on Zora, as well as you see tweeted out by the, an important page on Twitter. So not only me saying it, you can mint it on the Optimism chain. To celebrate the false proof and stage 1's arrival on Optimism is this one, which I will leave you down link below. But if you do have to pick between two NFT because you do not want to go and spend $5.10, but you only can afford to spend $2, absolutely fine. I would suggest you to go and mint your Farcaster Kangaroo NFT. This is the most important. If you can, we know how important NFTs are. Make sure to go and mint also the stage 1. Already 2,000 people minted it. It is important and it is getting minted regularly. So definitely two NFTs to go and consider. Next up, we got an update on the Berachain testnet B2 BRTO over here. As we see, there is an integration with Owelto Finance. So go and utilize the testnet for it. And it is absolutely free to utilize the testnet. I will leave you the Owelto page down in the link below if you wish to support me and come to be part of my community with my referral link. Thank you very much for your support. We got 9 members as of right now. And if you want to go and use the Berachain testnet V2, it is very simple. You can bridge between Bitcoin and Ethereum from the Binance Smart Chain testnet and Sefolia to the chain itself. So how do we do it? Once you are logged in, simply go to the bridging page over here on the top left. You will have the possibility to select the chain. We can simply write on Sefolia over here, as we see over on testnet, and we can go and select from the Binance testnet the Sefolia over one, which we have it, and we go and send it over to the Berachain. So simply click over on Berachain over here if it gives you the possibility to do it, or simply actually go and find it right here. So go and find it, click on the Berachain, and you will have the possibility, as we see, to go from the Binance Smart Chain and Sefolia to Berachain. So you will have the new integration coming at the end of this possibility, and it is very, very important that you go and do it. This is possible airdrop allocation for the airdrop itself in the future. And as you see here, you can use the, by the way, we are on the Sefolia, from Sefolia token to, you can send it to anyone else. Here we got it, the Berachain BRTO testnet. Simply click on this and go and send any amount. So on Sefolia, it is free, by the way. I will try to go and leave you as well the possibility to utilize a the Sefolia testnet, how to go and pick up the Sefolia. I will leave the link down below in case you do not have the Sefolia testnet tokens. I will leave it down below. Simply click on how much you want, more than the maximum transfer amount of 0.01. So we gotta go and put 0. As we see here, 0.001, which is the maximum amount. Where is the maximum amount over here? This one is it. We go and send it to the Berachain, and as we see here, click on send. It is all on a free testnet on Sefolia, so everything is absolutely free. You go and do your transfers as we see over here, and you are good to go. Another thing, there are some new Taiko quests over on Owelto, so make sure to go and do them, which is bridge from and to Taiko, whether it is from Arbitrum, where it is from a mainnet, not a testnet. In this case, you can go and collect some more points for the airdrop, which is a point-based airdrop. To do this one, this is the testnet on Berachain, which you can go and do multiple times throughout the day. But if you want to do the Taiko one, for example, we simply go over here to all, we go, for example, on our beach in which we do have some funds, and we go and send everything as we see over here to the Tyco possibility, which is right here, and we go and send some Ethereum. So you can send 0.01 simply. As we see over here, we have the possibility to send it. You send it over and you collect the points for this missions, which is very, very important. There is free bridging fee and destination transaction cost is half. So very cheap, and it is a very cheap moment, in my opinion, to go and collect approximately, with everything combined, you are looking at something like 1,500 points. So make sure to go and do it 3 times to Tyco and 3 times from Tyco back to the original scene from which you have sent it to yourself. Next up, we got a Cosmos airdrop update over of Ili. The eligibility for the Ili airdrop continues to grow. The chains available now which are eligible for the airdrop by simply stacking your tokens are Jura, Hoppers, NTRN, Atom, Osmo, DYDX, AKT, TIA, Dimension, and Say. Still awaiting clarification for the orders, but if you simply have any of these tokens, which I know a lot of you probably watching this video have Osmos, Atom, TIA, DYM, you are gonna be eligible for the airdrop, and we are stacking those tokens as we are talking right now if you did it in the past. Otherwise, you can go and do it right now over on your Capital wallet. Going back to Ovelto, as you see, once it is finished, you can go click on back and you have the possibility to go and do all the transactions, so make sure to go and do it. Next up, we got a airdrop cookie 3 to go and claim. I'm personally as well not eligible as here as the airdrop, despite being in the top 20 of the leaderboard. What is the referral to this, or what did you have to do? Well, as we see over here, I will leave you the link down below. Simply connect your wallet, click on continue with your wallet, and as we see here, I am personally not eligible for this, but what was it? It looks like you don't have any airdrops token available, future airdrops and other rewards. If you want to know more about it, go on to the airdrop claim guide over here. The eligible criteria for these airdrops were the quest point occurred in the cookie bakery, the points occurred from the ecosystem campaign referral points, which I didn't even have, and the big get competition points, which was potentially a Galaxy quest. So very, very important. If you've done it, make sure to go and do it. And as we see over here, points, quest, potential, as why I'm talking about the NFT for a lot of the airdrop, because a lot of these are some criteria which you can find for an airdrop allocation, which kind of like this one, not quite, but we got points, we got bakery points, we got ecosystem campaigns. Ecosystem campaigns is also an NFT, for example the Farcaster, which is very, very important. That is why I'm telling you right now. And as we see over here, we got the tokenomics, which is going to be 0% at TGE, we got 0% at TGE Cliff 1, Cliff 2, airdrops, stacking, early contribution and bakers, seed strategy, KOLs, etc. Next up, we go over to check the orderly network. As we see over here, we got the airdrop allocation of the orderly network, and very important, I am personally not eligible for this one simply because I am not farming it, but I know it is quite a big deal within the ecosystem of the airdrop, and it is not over. So you can check your eligibility, but the merits campaign still has not finished. So as you see here, go connect your wallet, connect to the right network, which is the Ethereum mainnet. And as we see over here, my wallet, I am eligible for 0.12 because of some Galaxy campaign. So I will eventually get the total order allocation of 0.12, which, you know, I'll take it, but it's probably gonna cost me more gas fees than nothing. But we got early EVM traders, early community members, and the road to the order, which is still ongoing. So if you are onboarding it, keep going, keep doing it, because you will have the possibility to earn more order token. And the Galaxy campaign, once again, they prove to be important. Galaxy campaign participant with the points prove to be important once again for this, so we do not have to fade it. Also, for other future airdrop, very important. Next up, we got a Cosmos update over on Unicorn. The eligibility, the chains added today include Atom. So if you're an Atom or a Cosmos, you know, an Atom staker, sorry, it is congratulations. You got a second airdrop that you can go and claim. We got the AKT, the AXL, NTRN, and the Kava, which there are 434 in total. You can go over here to claim the token. This is the page that you are. It is not a weird page. Here, the CD-ROM contains a newer version of Windows than the one person using. Would you like to upgrade your computer for this new version? Simply click over here and you will be redirected to this one. So let's go and take the possibility out. This is the airdrop, 452 live airdrops, which is what we got. Welcome. So make sure to navigate it, make sure to look a little bit, look for the Cosmos situation, which is right here. You can connect your Kepler wallet. It's simply gonna ask you to go and open up the Kepler wallet, which we go and do right here, and we connect with Unicorn, and it is a pretty normal Unicorn Solana airdrops. You can put on Ethereum, you can put on Solana, you can put anything that you want. We got the claim, the pony, the rhino leak. So it is a little bit of a weird page, gotta be honest with you, but you have the possibility to go and check it out for yourself. So make sure to go and collect it. I am not eligible for this one. You can go and check, for example, for the Solana, whether it's this Phantom of the Welfare. Simply go and insert the password for this one as well. And once again, you allow it to connect it. And here we go, the Unicorn address, the Solana. I can claim me the UWU, which is absolutely nice. So go and claim the UWU as we see over here, which, you know, we can go and check if we have the possibility. Well done, you beautiful beast. You have successfully claimed the most marvelous airdrop on the entire meme web. Airdrops take a while to land, but after you can spend it all on the league. Please screenshot your claims and tweet your community to get more cores. This is vital for the unicorn spreading the internet. Okay, so what is gonna happen here? Looks like we claim the airdrop. Well done, Mr. Mars. Don't spend it all on sweets and Bud Light. So it is gonna be appearing over here on my wallet once it's gonna reach my wallet. And we got a few coins. Simply you will find it over here once it reaches, and if you don't see it, just don't worry. I don't think it's gonna be worth a lot, to be honest. I don't think it's gonna be super, you know, expensive, but the Solana airdrop, as we see over here, register this airdrop for the U clawback. So simply go and register this wallet. You are not signing any request, any weird request or anything, but you have the possibility to go and simply collect a few tokens. With that said, you can go and check it out over on your transaction on your Solana or EVM or Kepler wallet, depending on the one that you have gone and, you know, added for the claim. And here you got the next airdrop distribution in about 5 hours. So it takes a little bit over 5 hours for distribution, and tomorrow I will let you know once again how much this airdrop is worth, if it's worth anything I mentioned. As well, we got the Taiko Trailblazer is now live. You can claim your points over on this webpage. After claiming your points, go to the faction badge section and claim your available badge. 12 million Taiko tokens claimable in the first season. Simply go over here, change to Taiko mainnet as we are doing over here. Talking about the Taiko mainnet, as we see over here, the 0.01 that we have sent from Arbitrum to Taikon has arrived, so we can go and send once again the same amount, so that we, as we see here, we are getting points, we are scaling through the ranks, and now we're gonna get 430 points, which before we did receive 380. Free bridging transaction, very cheap, 50 cent I believe it is, of the Ethereum gas fees. Transaction has been signed, transaction has been gone, we confirm, and we are good to go. Over here, I got 1,120 points. I got no boosters. I got Galaxy Quest, which are 3,551 Galaxy points, which are the 124,000 Trailblazer points. Simply go and play, collect. As we see here, I got points right now because of the transaction I have just done as well, which was the one that we have seen before. I've done a 560, and as we see here, we claim the token, which we said right here. After claiming your points, go and let me know your points, which I want to see other people. Yeah, approximately 130,000 tokens, 170,000 tokens, 30,000 tokens. So it looks like I got quite a decent batch of token, which I'm happy for. We claim it, and as we said, after we claim it, we have the possibility of a leaderboard, 166, 400,000 people. But after you claim it, go on badge, and you will be able to go and unlock this badge. It takes a little bit to go and do all of this, but it is also because we are on the Arbitrum ecosystem. As we see over here, we were doing these steps. So for faster ways, simply stay within the Taiko ecosystem. So we can go and change the possibility over here, the Taiko ecosystem. We are connected, we can claim it again, and now we have the possibility of a signing transaction, which before we didn't have it. We claim our token and we are good to go. This is a transaction, it should be pending. I am not really 100% sure what we're looking at, but we do this one, claim faction, try to reload the page, and you will be good to go once you have claimed your token. But this is the possibility to click over on claim, sign the transactions. We got 2 pending, so let's take a little bit of time, but this is it. So definitely something important to go and check out, to go and claim, because we could potentially having, and now I just want to see with you where I am within the top percentage if this claiming happens within the next couple of seconds. Otherwise I'm not gonna waste you any more time. But very important, as we are here, go and do your well to bridge, go and claim your cookie airdrop, go and take the Farcaster NFT, which is really important. and of course go and do this. But it's taking a little while, so if there's any updates, I will talk to you about it tomorrow again. But I will keep you, of course, update on everything that you need to know. With that said, thank you for watching today's video, guys, and I will see you all in tomorrow's one. Ciao, ciao.